Hello, and welcome to your new syllabus management tool. My name is Cameron, and today I will be walking you through what this tool can do and how you can use it. To start, you need to know where to find the tool. First, open a new tab, then navigate to your Microsoft 365 App Center. Your screen should look something like this. From there, click the icon labeled Syllabus Manager. Clicking the icon takes us to the tool. Once you're in, you'll immediately notice that there are two tables. One for assigned syllabi, and another for completed ones. The assigned table is where your courses will appear when they require a syllabus. Completing syllabi will move them to the completed table and automatically post them to your Canvas course. Additionally, any syllabi created this way will be posted publicly on the Midland College website. Stick around till the end of the video if you'd like to see how that works. Moving on, let's get started with creating our first syllabus. First, I'm going to create a new tab and open up my course on Canvas. You don't actually need to open Canvas to create your new syllabus. This is just to demonstrate a before and after. The course page should look pretty familiar to you. Opening up the native syllabus tab, we see that there is not much there to start. Back to our syllabus manager, we will go ahead and open up the course from the assigned syllabi table. You'll notice it automatically fills some info for your course, and that your name is a link. Click the link to confirm it takes you to your page in the MC directory. If it doesn't, submit a bug report so the issue can be resolved. Now, we can go ahead and create the syllabus. First, we will need to type a meeting location, then the time and days the class will meet. After you fill out your meeting information, you will come across an optional instructor information section. If you feel like the link to your directory page wasn't enough, you can provide your information here so your students can find it. Below the optional instructor information section, your course description should be filled in for you. Next, we will want to provide at least 3 different student learning outcomes by clicking the Add Learning Outcome button and filling out the fields. If you want to remove a learning outcome, simply click the minus symbol next to the text box. After adding our learning outcomes, we can use the following section to add any additional course information that might not fit into the other categories. Once again, this section is completely optional. Next, we can add required and optional materials, as well as any other resources we may need for the course. I'm going to add a required book by clicking the corresponding button and entering the book's title, author, and ISBN. If we want to link a resource, for example, a YouTube video, we can scroll down, click the Add Resource button, and provide text and a link. Next is the course agenda section. This section is optional. Using the buttons, you can add as many weeks as you need. Then, you can fill out what you will be doing in the course that week. After the agenda section is the evaluation section. This is where you can tell your students how their assignments will be weighted. Using the buttons, we can add sections which can then be filled out with the relevant information like so. If there's anything else your students should know about grading, you can provide that information below this. For example, something like extra credit. Finally, we have the optional student expectations section. Here, you can provide individual course policies you may have. For example, something like an attendance policy. Once our syllabus is filled out, we can go ahead and click Continue. From here, we can briefly look over our syllabus to make sure everything looks correct. If it does, click Create Syllabus, and you're done. You'll see that the syllabus has moved to the completed table. Looking at our Canvas course, we can now see that there are 2 syllabus tabs. One of these is the default one, which should now be hidden from your students. The other is what your students will see, the syllabus that you just created. If you made a mistake or just want to tweak your syllabus, simply click the course you want to edit in the completed syllabus table. From here, the steps are pretty similar to creating a new one. In addition to being posted to your Canvas course, your syllabus should now appear in the public syllabus database. If you're curious, you can find a link to the public syllabus database in the description below. You'll see that we have all of these courses on the right, as well as a search bar on the left. The search bar is relatively simple. You can search any combination of keywords, and the course will pop up. As you can see, you don't even have to type full words. You can type part of a professor name, a course name, or even a section to find a syllabus. Clicking your syllabus here will open it up. Finally, if you find yourself wanting a new feature, or encountering a troublesome bug, simply click the bug report button at the bottom of the syllabus manager. From here you can describe your issue or request, hit send, and I will be able to quickly respond. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments about your new syllabus management tool, feel free to comment down below or contact me via email. Thank you.